Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna show you what we did on this 2000 Toyota 4Runner. Just gonna explain to you what we did, what we used, and all that good stuff. So first things first, we did the window tint all the way around using our high performance film that comes with the lifetime warranty. Really good on heat rejection. So the rears we did 4%, which is considered the limo. And then on the two fronts we did the 15, one step lighter, just so that you won't get messed with by the police. So it looks really good all the way around. The second thing was the alarm system. We did the Viper. This is the 7146V, which is a really good alarm system. Here at D's Garage, we don't like to install anything but Viper, just because they never give you any problems. So, give you a quick rundown. Lock and unlock, siren, kill switch, shock sensor, flashing lights. So right now it is armed. That's the tint job right there. Looks really good. So like I said, it is armed right now. So let's say if somebody was to like kind of hit the windows or something a little bit, it's going to give you a little warning chirp. Just depends on the impact. If you hit it pretty hard, it's going to go off. You can hear that siren. It's pretty loud. Lights are flashing. It's gonna cycle about 3 times. You can see the lights are flashing there. It's kind of hard to see it in the daytime, but they are flashing. So that's one cycle. Okay, I guess I only programmed it to one cycle. So now let's say if the alarm, let's say if somebody was to open the door without disarming it with the alarm system, this alarm has a door trigger as well. So the door trigger is pretty much, if you open any door, it's gonna go off. The alarm does have a built-in kill switch. So if somebody was to try to start it without disarming the alarm system, it will not crank over until you hit that unlock button. It'll go ahead and start right up. So this is a really good alarm system, guys. Viper, the best. The other thing is going to be the radio installation. We did the Pioneer double din with CD, DVD player. It's got the Bluetooth, USB cord that's right here. This is the alarm system we put on, one-way security system. This is the head unit. And then this is what it had on there before, so we took that out, put in the new one. Okay, so it's a pretty good setup. If you guys are interested in getting your ride hooked up, we're located here in the city of Corona, D's Garage. There's the information. Make sure you guys contact us for any of your window tinting needs, audio. We also do auto glass and all that good stuff. So Thank you. Peace.